Hello and welcome to ZENITH Institute where learning matters. Guys, in my previous video I shared 30 word list with the theme of school. Now in this video you will get to know 20 verbs with the same theme, school. Our first verb is ankreuzen. Ankreuzen means to mark with a tick or to cross. To mark with a tick or to mark with a cross. Next verb is aufpassen. Aufpassen. Aufpassen means to take care or to look after. Aufpassen. Next verb is besuchen. Besuchen. Besuchen means to attend or to visit. Besuchen. Next verb is erklären. Erklären. Erklären means to explain something. Next is kennenlernen. Kennenlernen. Kennenlernen is to meet somebody. To meet somebody, to know someone. Kennenlernen. Next is lernen. Lernen means to learn. For example, ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. Next is lösen. Lösen. Lösen means to solve. The noun form of lösen verb is Lösung. That means solution. Next verb is markieren. Markieren. Markieren means to mark. Markieren. Next verb is notieren. Notieren. Notieren means to quote or to note down something. Notieren. Next verb is rechnen. Rechnen. Rechnen means to calculate. Rechnen. Next verb is recht haben. Recht haben. That means to be right. For example, du hast recht. That means you are right. You are right. Next is schreiben. Schreiben. Schreiben means to write. Schreiben. Next verb is spielen. Spielen. Spielen means to play. Spielen. Next verb is studieren. Studieren. Studieren means to study. Studieren. Next verb is üben. Üben. Üben means to practice something. Sometimes it means to exercise or to train also, but that is not related to study. So if you are studying to practice something, that is üben. And next verb is übersetzen. Übersetzen means to translate. Übersetzen, to translate. Next verb is verstehen. Verstehen means to understand something. For example, das verstehe ich nicht. That means that I do not understand. Ich verstehe, I understand. Next verb is wählen. Wählen. Wählen is to choose. Sometimes it means to vote also. But here, wählen means to choose. Next verb is zeigen. Zeigen. Zeigen is to show. Zeigen, to show. And the next verb is zuhören. Zuhören is to listen carefully. It's a trennbares Verben. Ich höre zu. That means I listen carefully. So thank you for watching. You can read these verb lists in my blog. Link you will get in the description. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and family learning partners. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to ZENITH Institute. Thank you.